What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Picasso Carmichael, and in today's video I will be reviewing one of my favorite products, the Qliq foldable portable chair. Now, this isn't a brand new product for me, as I've been using it consistently for about a year now. I've used it everywhere from just camping to hanging out in the park, to being at the beach, to being on military duty in the middle of nowhere in the woods or whatever. So this is definitely something that I've definitely put some use into, and so that's the reason why I want to share it with you guys today, because it's definitely become one of my favorite products. Now, Qliq boasts that this thing is about the size of a water bottle and that you can unfold it and set it up in about 5 seconds. We'll put that to the test, okay? So here's my Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max, and here's the chair. So I would say it's probably a little bigger than a water bottle, but it's still about the size of 2 iPhone 11 Pro Maxes. And if you look at the width also, compared to my phone, it's pretty compact. So this thing also comes in like 3 different colors. You can get it in black, burgundy, or green. Okay, so let's go ahead and set this thing up so I can show you how that goes. So now let's see how quickly I set this thing up. I haven't used it in a little while, but let's see how quickly I can set it up. You guys can set your own timers. So I'm gonna pull that thing apart there, lock these parts out. Boom. This chair is pretty much set up and ready to go, and I can tell you right now that this is some pretty strong and sturdy aluminum here. This is definitely, you definitely can't just bend this with your hand unless you're really strong. You can definitely feel that this is something that's really high quality, okay? It's not gonna rip or tear easily, as I've had this thing in the woods on military duty, hopping in and out of military vehicles, and nothing. So I'm gonna take a seat in this thing and show you guys. You also have this little key ring so that you can attach it to various equipment or something. Obviously you won't want to attach it to your keys. This thing is pretty comfortable. It's also kind of cool whenever I go to the beach or to some kind of outdoorsy thing, and I get there and everyone else is carrying their big old long portable chairs, and I just pull this thing out of my backpack and they're all looking like, so once again, just to show you guys, okay, how easy this is, you have your Velcro strap right here. You're just gonna go ahead and undo that strap, and this thing is gonna open up just like a spider. And you heard a click, because once you open it, it locks into place. See that? That thing is pretty sturdy, okay? So then all these things just lock out, and then you're just gonna simply just pull these open, and as you can see, there's these little brackets here that kind of lock into place. You just pull these guys out and your chair is ready to go. So now to fold this thing up, you're going to start by just simply waving at some guys here that came out here to talk to me earlier, to interrupt my video, but nah, they were actually pretty cool. That this kid and his dad, so they were really cool. So yeah, so first thing you're gonna do is just retract all of your little legs there. Okay, so next you have this little button here. You're just gonna simply push that inward, and then everything's just gonna boom, flip over, and boom. Just secure that with your Velcro strap. And that's it, your Qliq chair. Okay, and just to show you guys how compact this is, here I have a standard size backpack, and I'll just slide this in there, look at that. With way more than enough room to put in a standard size backpack, and you can zip that up easily, and it just comes right out just like that. I think I heard an alligator. That's Florida for you.